Damn, I'm so happy. I have been expecting this machine for years. I mean, I bought this machine like a couple of times with my mouth. And finally, it's here. Let's unbox. All right, first of all, I'm going to give a big shout out to First Delivery. Yeah, they helped me bring this in from the US straight to Nigeria. So, okay, I made payment on, I think on Thursday. And as of Friday, Saturday, it was shipped. And I'm receiving it on Thursday. That's less than a full week. I don't know. Trust me. So they are fast. They are good. I recommend them. And they are way affordable. Trust me. All right, let's get into the unboxing itself. I have my knife. That's with a blade. Yeah. This should be the stand support or gauge. Yeah, I think this is the manual. I'm definitely needing this. And yeah, the way to install this. Whoa, this is solid. That is some real work. I've not been to the gym in a while. Coming back, it's coming back. Oh. I like the fact that damn! This is a lot. Okay. I think this is where the screws come in. Let's see. It's a bit stiff. That seems to be all. I don't think that is all. I think it still has. I think it can still come down. Okay. Oh. Oh, okay. So there's like a stopper behind here. There's like a stopper behind here. I don't know if you can see it. This is it. So which allows it not to come down. You know, you kind of hit. Oh shit! That's very noisy. And then you can bring it down. You can bring this down. Yeah, you know. And then take it back. Why do I feel it's the other way around? Yes. Okay. that's supposed to be very easy and smooth, but kind of. The other way around when it's locked. Yeah, that's the plan. You know, I'm still trying to figure out why I have just one of this. It's supposed to be two. I don't remember if I took out two. Okay, yes. So I figured this out. This is where it belongs. There's a part in the back, you know, where this can fit in, because I mean, I tried it earlier on, it wasn't fitting in here. So this is to just create a support for whatever material you put here, you understand? Whatever material you put here, and then you can use this to lock it, you know, whatever, you screw it down, you know. There you have that. Well, good. So I'll be putting the blade and doing a test run to see what it looks like. Well, not here, because this is not the workshop, this is my house, and I'll be taking it down to the workshop. Oh yeah, I actually don't have a workshop for now, but my welder's workshop, that's what I'm using. So yes, I'll try, because that's where we're building the equipment. So I'll take that down there, and you know, I get to try it out. Let's see how far. But I'll just, you know, have a little bit of custom to it. Let me see if I can put the blade. Christ, that is some real work. Okay, you released it. That's angle 30. Go 45. 15. 0, 15, 20.5, 30, and 45. You kind of need to eat, you know, like you actually need to eat to be able to move this guy, because it's a bit solid. I can tell you that for a fact. Oh shit. I have my wire inside here. It's kind of solid. Okay, I feel one cannot miss their cuts with this thing. I need to bring my extension, try this out and see how. Okay, I love this wire. The wire is very long. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if this bad boy will even spin. Actually very noisy. I am filming this in the middle of the night. This is roughly about 3 a.m. thereabout. And this nigga is making this much of noise. Okay, another factor I like about it is the fact that it has light. Yeah, and the light I hear tells you exactly where the your mark is supposed to be. This is a good machine. Trust me. Finally, I figured it out. I love this machine. I can't wait to try it out and see, what this will really do for me. Yeah. See ya guys on the next one.